kids. Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, green color, blue color, red color, pink color, brown color, dark blue color, orange color. Now let's learn to write the uppercase alphabets from A to Z and numbers. A, B, C, D. E. E for elephant. F. F. F is for fish. G. G is for goat. H. H is for horse. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. Please subscribe to my channel. K. K for kite. L. L is for lime. M. M is for mango. N. N for nectarine. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S. S is for sun. T for tiger. U is for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z is for zebra. 0. Number 1. 1 apple. 2. Number 2. 2 trees. 3. Number 3. 3. 4. Number 4. 4 eggs. 5. Number 5. 5 pigeon. 6. Number 6. 6 frogs. 7. Number 7. 7 hearts. 8. Number 8. 8 moons. 9. Number 9.
Amazing!
9 pencils. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.